The dum pukht is ready now. And look how juicy and tender it looks. Absolutely mouth-watering. This is very easy to make. If I can do it, you guys can do it as well. You choose whatever meat you want, get in whatever kilo you want, and all you gotta do is just sprinkle salt on there. It's a quick, easy recipe. Just sprinkle a bit of salt on the meat and you can cook any charcoal grill the way you want it. Very easy recipe. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my new video. Today I will be making dum pukht. Using this fresh meat, nice and tender and fresh. So nice once it's made, but at the moment it's not cooked yet, so when it gets on the barbecue it'll be nice and tender and I will show you. Now I'm going to put the salt at the top of the meat. Charcoal is ready now, so now I'm going to put the meat on the charcoal. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's nice and brown now. We're going to take it off the grill now. It's nice and brown now. Now we're going to put in a pot, then put it on the charcoal for another half an hour. We're going to put the meat now in the pot, then put it on the charcoal grill for half an hour. Going to put some tomatoes now and some green chilies. And just put a bit of water at the top of the meat and the chilies, also the tomatoes. Now I'm going to cover the meat now with the foil. I'm going to make sure everything is covered. Now this is going to go at the top of the charcoal right now for half an hour. You want to leave it there for maximum half an hour. I had to bring the pot inside because it was getting dark outside, and it's almost done. I'm going to show you now. Ready? Look at that, it's already nice and tender. Juicy. The Dum Pukht is ready now, and look how juicy and tender it looks, absolutely mouth-watering. This is very easy to make. If I can do it, you guys can do it as well. You choose whatever meat you want, get in whatever kilo you want, and all you gotta do is just sprinkle salt on there. It's a quick, easy recipe. Just sprinkle a bit of salt on the meat and you can cook it in charcoal grill the way you want it. Very easy